Hello everyone. Today in the Banking Regulation and Operations course, I'll be taking the second unit, Banker and Customer Relationship, and the second topic on that, which is on banking company. Yes, coming to the meaning of banking company, according to Section 5 of the Banking Regulation Act of 1949, a banking company means the accepting for the purpose of lending or investment of deposits of money from the public, repayable on demand or otherwise, and withdrawn by check, draft, order, or otherwise. Coming to the process of banking license. Licensing of banking companies refers to the process of getting permission from the RBI to start banking companies in India under the BR Act of 1949. So, according to Section 22 of the same Act, no company shall carry on banking business in India unless it holds a license issued by RBI. So there are certain conditions under which a company can go and apply for banking license, and only on the fulfillment of these conditions does a company get a banking license in India. The first condition, the company is or will be in a position to pay its present and future depositors in full as their claims accrue. The second condition for getting a banking license is the affairs of the company should not be detrimental to the interest of its present and future depositors. And the last condition to be fulfilled is for a bank, it applies to specifically to a foreign banking company. So it says that a foreign banking company can get a banking license in India uh, only if it is in the public interest of the citizens of India. So when it is conducting a banking business in India, it has to abide by the laws and regulations which is mentioned under RBI, and it cannot follow its own country's laws for banking. So it should be in the interest of the public of India and not in the interest of the public of the country to which the particular foreign bank belongs. So these are the conditions which needs to be fulfilled for any company to get banking license in India. Thank you so much.